There is a place in the heart where everything meets, where the river of breath and ocean converge. Come here to find me. In this spacious embrace, I am giving myself with total abandon. I am softening in order to see. Standing on the shores in my bare feet, dancing to the rhythm of my heartbeat, allowing the intangible to move me into strange shapes. I feel a rise of intimacy with life's beauty, remembering what it is to vibrate, reverberate, and sing with the old flame. I was born to fly in these wide open skies, and I will sing while the wind is beneath my wings. Won't you meet me here?
Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Colibri Festival.
There is a place in the heart where everything meets. Meet me here.